Alright, we're going to do Newton's first law. So question number 1 says, as shown in the diagram, an open box, its contents have combined mass of 5 kilograms and a horizontal force of 15 newtons is required to push the box at a constant speed of 1.5 meters per second across the surface. The inertia of the box and its contents increases if there is an increase in the only way to measure inertia is based on the mass, which means that the only way that you can change this is for number 2, mass of the contents of the box are the ones that are increased. So the only way to measure inertia is based on mass. Question number 4 says, if the sum of all the forces acting on a moving object is 0, the object will do what? So just because you have an object that may be moving in one direction, it still can have a force. Let's say this is 50 newtons and this is 50 newtons. In all directions can end up still having a constant acceleration. It's where everything kind of is still the same. You're not increasing, constant velocity. You're not increasing in acceleration or decreasing. So for number 4, you can't continue moving with a constant velocity. If all the forces on the moving object is 0, the object can still move. Think of it kind of like if you have a car that's on cruise control. You're still having a motion, but you're not accelerating in that motion. Okay. Question number 6. Which object has the greatest inertia? So if I look at question number 6 again, remember inertia is based on the mass, which means that the greatest inertia is going to be the 20 kilogram mass moving at 1 meter per second. It does not matter. Speed never matters when you're measuring inertia. It's only the mass that you're looking at. For question number 7, the data table below lists mass and speed for 4 different objects. Which of the objects has the greatest inertia? Again, you can neglect speed. It does not affect it. You're looking at the mass. 16 kilograms is the greatest, which means that your answer should be D, which is number 4. Okay, the next question is question number 11. It says a lab cart is loaded with 4 different masses and moved at various velocities. Which diagram shows the cart's mass system with the greatest inertia? Again, you're looking at the one with the greatest mass, which would be number 4. And that's pretty much it for Newton's law. It's really not, just remember that inertia is the tendency of an object to resist a change in motion, which is all based on mass, and it is not based on speed.